Hello students. This is an example of a mock interview. For this project, you will pretend that you are being interviewed for a job or a position. Now, because this is a pretend or a mock interview, you will need to make up the job or position that you are interviewing for and pretend that you are getting or that you are applying for a job that you want to have in the future. So try to make it as real as possible, even though it's a pretend interview. Now you'll choose questions from the instruction guideline that I will give you. Choose 4 or 5 questions. Think about each question, reflect on your own experience and everything that you've learned from our class, and then write out a script of your answers before you record this video. And I will have a chance to look over that script and give you some feedback and advice. And you'll see I've written down a script for me as well. I'm going to give you an example here, and that will help you just like it's going to help me as I do this mock interview. So it's important to prepare. Now the video will be about 4 or 5 minutes long, about 1 minute for each question, and you can choose 4 or 5 questions, but no more than 5 minutes. So let's get started. I'm going to give you an example here, and we'll see how I do. Hello, my name is Matthew Johnston. I'm so honored to be here at Pretend College to apply for the ESOL instructor position. I will be answering 4 questions from the list of questions that you gave me. First, why should we hire you? Why are you the right person for the job? Well, you should hire me because of my experience and knowledge. I have a bachelor's degree in religion with a minor in English, and I have a master's degree in global leadership with a specialization in teaching English to speakers of other languages. That's my knowledge. My experience, well, I began my professional career in 2013. I taught at a university in China for 2 years, and throughout those 2 years I taught all different skills, integrated reading and writing, grammar, and listening and speaking. And I taught cross-cultural communication, business communication, and American film appreciation. I now work for Richland College, and I've been here since 2016. So I have lots of experience and knowledge required for this job. Second, how do you work in a team? Do you prefer to work on a team or independently? Well, I really enjoy both. I like working in a team and I like working individually. I enjoy the interaction and sharing of ideas when I work in a team, and I miss working with my colleagues in person because currently I am working online because of the pandemic. However, I would have to say that I prefer working independently. I'm a creative worker, and when I'm inspired to create a lesson for class or develop a video or a project, I like to work on it alone at first. I certainly appreciate input from others and maybe feedback as I get into the project and make it better and better, but I enjoy that creative process as I begin the development of a new lesson or something like that. Third, what is your leadership style? I recently took a survey about my leadership style, and I scored highest in democratic leadership. I think that definitely fits me. I like to work together with others, and I like to share that decision-making process with others. In the classroom, that means I like to build rapport with students and have a relationship with the students in order to teach and learn together. And I view them as unique contributors where we can work and learn together. However, there are times in the classroom where the teacher needs to make quick decisions or needs to gain control of the classroom. So authoritarian leadership is useful at times, and that's what I scored second highest in. So my top leadership style is democratic, but shortly below that is authoritarian, and I know that there's times when I need to use that authoritarian style of leadership. Fourth, if you had $1 million and 1,000 hours to help people in need, what would you do and why? I really like this question. And I think that servant leadership is the most valuable type of leadership because it's focusing on helping others. And I'm always thinking about how can I help others? How can I help others succeed or improve? So I think if I had $1,000,000, I would set up a holistic training program that would give low-income people or people in poverty job skills, English skills, and other assistance that they need to help them get ahead in life, help them get out of poverty. So I'd work with other different programs because they probably have expertise. I would need other experts to help serve people holistically. And my expertise is in teaching English, so I could really focus on that part of things, but I would need a team to really holistically help people to succeed and to get ahead in life. So I'd work with others to help get people out of poverty and become more stable in their financial situation and in their learning and everything. So thanks again. It was a joy to answer these questions, and I'm so thankful for this opportunity to interview. I hope to hear from you soon, and I look forward to working with you at Pretend College.